Assalamu alaikum everybody, my name is Bilal Alvi and welcome back to Bachelor's Kitchen. Today's episode is really special because this is my Eid special episode. Now as you know, Eid is right around the corner and Eid means really good, amazing, yummy food. And what I'm going to be making is one of my personal favorites. It's called Badami Korma. Now I always used to think that korma is a very complicated dish. Lots and lots of things go in it, a lot of effort, a lot of time, until I discovered this. This is Shan Korma Masala, and not just the regular powder wala masala. This is actually concentrated stir-in sauce, which all you need to do is just add this sauce to the chicken and cook it all together, and you have amazing Karachi wala special korma ready. I can't tell you how excited I am. I have tried it, it has turned out amazing, and today I am going to share it with all of you. So let's get to my kitchen. I will tell you what we need. It is super simple. You are going to love it and you are going to love me. So let's get started. So these are the ingredients which are going to be required to make this korma. And yes, it is literally this simple. So this is half a kg chicken with bones. You can also use boneless, but I like it with bone. Cooking oil, half a cup. Yogurt, half a cup. And then the magic ingredient, Shan Korma Masala, which we are going to take 6 tablespoons for half a kg meat. And this here is almond powder, and here are some almonds. You can make a regular korma without these, but I am going to be adding them because I'm going to be calling it Badami Korma. So that's it. This is all that we need. Let's get started. So I'm starting the cooking process now. I have taken half a cup cooking oil in this pan, and now I'm going to be adding the chicken to it, and I am going to lightly fry it till the meat turns white, and then we will add the yogurt to it. Now as you can see, the meat has turned white, so it's time to put in the yogurt with some water, and I'm going to mix it. So I've mixed in the yogurt and approximately 100 ml of water, and I've mixed it all together, and I've put it on lowish medium heat. I am now going to cover it, let it cook for at least 10 minutes or 12 minutes until the meat is nice and tender, and then I'm going to be adding in the korma masala. So that's the next step. I will see you guys then. So as you can see, the chicken is nicely cooking away, and it's time for me to add the magic ingredient, the Shan Korma Masala, which has everything from salt to spices to literally the long and elaichi and everything. So I am going to add this, and I will need my hand, so I will see you guys back in a few seconds. So this is it. I have added in the masala. Now I am going to stir it nicely so that everything is mixed well together. There is a bit more water than there should be, but we will dry it out in a while. Right now we need to, okay, now it's nicely stirred in and mixed together. So now I am going to cover it and let it cook for another, I think I'm going to cook it for 10 minutes just to be sure that everything is done. Okay, so if in case you want to make Badami Korma, which is an option, and you don't have almond powder, you can always get almonds. So what you do is you soak them overnight in water, or if you have a microwave, the simplest thing is put them in some water, put it in a microwave, and spin it around for like 2 minutes. They are going to come out nice and soft, and the peel is, ouch, oops, the peel is going to come out nice and soft and easily like this, and then we are going to chop them and put them into the korma. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to unveil the Badami Korma. Oh wow, the smell is unbelievable, and as you can see, I'm going to change the angle because it's really hot. It looks amazing. I am going to turn off the heat now, and I will let it cool down a bit, and then I'm going to show it to you guys. And this is the delicious, amazing badami korma ready in just a few simple steps. This looks so amazing, and I promise you it tastes just as amazing. You guys should totally try it. It is really nice. I hope you guys like it. Now I'm going to have it with some hot naan. Yay! So this was the simple recipe of korma. I made it into badami korma by adding almonds to it. You can make it into a simple korma if you don't want to add that. You can make it with mutton, you can make it with beef, you can even make it with paneer or vegetables for that matter if you're vegetarian or vegan, because this gives you all the flavors of a korma and your base can be different. I really want to give a special shout out to Shan Foods and thank them for making this product. This is not at all a sponsored video in any way. I am just really happy and very proud that I can find Shan Foods anywhere. Their quality is so great that they're available all over the world. You can find this in all leading stores in Pakistan. I can find them everywhere in UAE, and I've been told that you can find them in almost all Desi or Pakistani stores across the world. So thank you Shan Foods for making life so easy and for making my Eid amazing. Thank you everybody for tuning in. I really hope you guys are going to try it and let me know in the comment section below. I look forward to hearing from you guys what you think about this and what your experience was. Until then, Eid Mubarak, stay safe. I will see you guys next time.